Hello everyone, Louis here and welcome back to Acorn Hill. It has been a long while since I've been on YouTube online posting video vlogs, but I'm back again. Last year had been a very busy travel year, and so we may change the format of the channel. There will be some travel videos that I will be showing you guys, hoping that you guys will stick around for that segment of my channel. Like I said, this is my first video after a few months of being absent and being unable to reconnect with you guys. So I hope all of you are doing quite well, healthy, and raring to go this 2025 growing season. And for today, just wanted to show you what the garden looks like in spring here in North Carolina. Just a few clips that I thought might give you a general idea on how the garden is growing and is maturing as I've prepared and built this since the pandemic. Anyway, this is just a quick opener video so that I could be with you guys again. Please enjoy these few frames and clips, and I will see you back soon when I'm able to put together a much better video than this. This is a short one, but hopefully you like it. This is Louis from Acorn Hill. We'll talk back the next video. Bye for now.